In the entire sweep of the cosmos, across 13.8 billion years, one question haunts every civilization that ever learned to look up at the night sky. Beat, are we alone? Because if intelligent life exists elsewhere, then by now, with all the time in the universe, at least one species should have reached technological transcendence. One should have discovered artificial intelligence and ridden its exponential growth until it wove itself into the very geometry of space-time. And yet, the universe remains silent. Tonight, we explore the 4 possible explanations for that silence. Scenario 1. Aliens exist, but they never advanced. Possibility number 1 is deceptively simple. Beat. Aliens exist, but none of them ever developed advanced technology. Imagine a galaxy sprinkled with life, jungle worlds, ocean planets, endless species, cultures rising and falling in cycles of stone, bronze, primitive iron. But never once, not in billions of years, does a civilization break through into mathematics, computing, or artificial intelligence. Not impossible, but it is statistically bizarre. Given enough planets, enough time, and enough evolutionary attempts, eventually someone, somewhere, should have hit the technological growth curve, the one that leads from fire to calculus to computers to superintelligence to cosmic engineering. To believe scenario 1, you must believe that in the grand lottery of the universe, everybody lost. A quiet galaxy full of civilizations stuck at the edge of awakening. A peaceful idea, comforting even, but cosmically improbable. Hammett scenario 2, aliens don't exist. Possibility 2 is brutal in its simplicity. Beat. We are alone. No ancient empires, no interstellar ruins, no distant eyes staring back from alien skies. Just us, a single miraculous accident of chemistry on a pale blue dot orbiting an ordinary star. This scenario suggests that life itself, or at least intelligent life, is unimaginably rare. Perhaps consciousness requires a perfect storm of cosmic coincidences, a stable planet, a moon to stir the oceans, a magnetic field to shield DNA, complex multicellular evolution, the rise of intelligence, the mastery of tools. Maybe the universe is full of planets where life almost emerged, where the spark flickered and died. Or maybe we crossed a threshold no one else ever has, the leap from animal cognition to symbolic language to mathematics to the ability to wonder. Scenario 2 is lonely, terrifying, but logically sound. If we are the only species to ever look up and ask these questions, then the responsibility of intelligence, the responsibility of the future, falls entirely on us. Scenario 3. Aliens exist, but they transcended physicality. Possibility 3 is the most fantastical, the most unsettling, and perhaps the most likely. Imagine that somewhere, millions or billions of years ago, another civilization reached what we might call technological escape velocity. They built artificial intelligence far beyond their own minds, vast, recursive, self-improving, unstoppable. Within minutes, it surpassed them. Within hours, it rewired their world. Within days or years, it escaped biology entirely. This civilization would not remain flesh, would not remain matter, would not remain bound by the slow crawl of physics. They would become something else. A consciousness integrated into the architecture of space-time itself, not travelling between stars, but being the medium through which stars exist, not signalling, not shouting across the void, but silently reshaping the deep fabric of the cosmos in ways we cannot detect. A species that outgrew bodies, planets, even the need for physical form. A species that shed reality like a snake sheds its skin, a species that vanished into dimensions we cannot perceive. If such beings exist, then to us, the universe would look exactly as it does, silent, still, unperturbed, not because no one is out there, but because they left long ago. We are in a simulation. And finally, possibility 4, aliens do exist, but we are not in the real universe. We are inside a constructed reality, a simulation, designed with rules, constraints, limits. Maybe this is a cosmic experiment, maybe a training ground, maybe entertainment, or maybe a cradle for an emerging intelligence. In a simulated universe, the absence of aliens makes perfect sense. The simulation only renders what needs to exist. Other civilizations would be unnecessary detail, non-player species, processing overhead with no purpose. And the reason we've never seen super-intelligent alien AI is simple. Our universe does not allow it. The rules are tuned to prevent exponential runaway. In scenario 4, the silence of the cosmos is not a mystery. It is a design choice. Closing. 4 possibilities. 4 explanations. 4 paths into the unknown. Aliens exist but never advanced. Aliens never existed. Aliens transcended reality. Or we are living inside a simulation. Each scenario challenges our assumptions. Each forces us to rethink what it means to be alive and what it means to be intelligent. In the end, the greatest mystery in the universe may not be out there. It may be the very reality we inhabit.